Tired of manually copying Wise transactions into QuickBooks? Connect them in 4 clicks and automate your bookkeeping forever. If you're spending hours each month importing bank statements and matching transactions by hand, I've got good news. You can save all that time with one simple integration. And trust me, it works exactly how you'd hope it would. I'll show you exactly where to click in your Wise account to link it to QuickBooks. Follow these simple steps. So the first thing we need to do is log into your Wise account. Once you're in, look at the top of the screen for your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you manage all your personal account settings, and it's also the gateway to your integrations. I've used this menu dozens of times, and it's always the same starting point. So click your profile, and we'll move on to the next part. Now that we're in the menu, you'll see a list of options. Look for one that says Connect and Manage Apps. That's the link we need. Click on that. This is the central hub where Wise lets you connect third-party tools. Think of it as the control room for all your integrations. And here's the thing, most people don't even know this section exists. They spend weeks manually copying transactions when the solution is right here. So take a second to notice where it is, because you'll come back here whenever you want to add or remove an app. Okay, so now you're on the integration page. You'll see a list of popular apps that work with Wise. Scroll down until you find QuickBooks. It should be pretty easy to spot. Click on the QuickBooks option. This is where the magic starts. When you click it, Wise will show you a little more detail about what the integration does. It's worth reading that description quickly, just so you know exactly what data will be shared. But honestly, it's straightforward. It syncs your transactions so you don't have to. All right, now for the final step. You'll see a button that says Connect to QuickBooks. Click that. Wise will then ask you to authorize the connection. This might take a moment to process, so just be patient. You might need to log into your QuickBooks account on the next screen to confirm. Once you do, that's it. You're connected. From now on, your Wise transactions will automatically show up in QuickBooks. No more copying and pasting, no more errors from manual entry. Just clean, automated bookkeeping. And that's really all there is to it. In my experience, people overthink this process. But if you follow these 4 clicks, you'll save hours every single month. Give it a try and let me know how it goes for you. Happy bookkeeping!